Hi, this is recording 7.3, number 29. All we need to do is simplify. So the square root of 45, something that can go in there that is a perfect square would be 9 times 5. So the square root of 9 times the square root of 5. Well, the square root of 9 is 3. And then there is no square root for 5, so the square root of 5. So this is our answer. Okay, number 36. We are also going to simplify. The square root of 175 y to the 8th. Something I know that goes into 175 would be 25. So we're going to do the square root of 25 times the square root of, so 25 times 7 would be 175 times square root of y to the 8th, because the 8th can be squared. So square root of 25 is 5. The square root of y to the 8th would be y to the 4th times the square root of 7. That's our answer. Okay, on number 49, we are simplifying. So we have the cubed root now. So we need to find the cubes that we can take out of here. So we have cubed root of x to the 3rd times the cubed root of, we have 2 left over, so x squared, times the cubed root of y to the 6th, because that can be cubed, times the cubed root of z to the 9th, times the cubed root of z to the 1st. So right here, x to the cubed, x to the 3rd is x. And you leave this one. This one can be cubed, so you have y, cubed root of y to the 6th is y squared. And then this one would be z to the 3rd. And then you have your leftovers, which is the cubed root of x squared z. And I believe that's it. Okay, on number 67, we're also going to multiply and simplify. So we're going to multiply these. So you have a base here and here. So you're going to multiply those. 3 times 4 is 12. And then you have the square root of 2 times the square root of, oh, whoops, sorry, did that wrong. The square root of 2 times 10, which is 20. And x to the 5th and x squared, you add those two together, so it equals x to the 7th. So now we bring your 12 down, the square root of 20, the square for that would be 4, and the square root of times the square root of 5 times the square root of x to the 6th times the square root of x. So 12 times the square root of 4 is 2. This will stay. The square root of x to the 6th is x to the 3rd, and this will stay. So we've got 24x cubed times the square root of 5x.